Music is the thing or the part which drove me into photography, because I actually did a lot of music when I was younger. I was playing in a band, I can play piano, I can play guitar, and I had some lyrics which painted kind of a picture in my head. There were ideas popping up while I was listening to music, and these ideas were realized in photos.
Hello, my name is Amelie Satzger. I'm a photo artist from Munich, Germany, and I'm an Adobe Creative resident. My project is called Seeing Music. It's about visualizing lyrics from musicians into surrealistic, colorful artworks.
The special thing about the project is that I want the musicians to be actually the person inside the picture.
So I want them to sit inside their lyrics, kind of. I will build the props and backgrounds all by myself. When I create with my hands, it's so much more exciting because you can't just reverse it, if that makes any sense. I think I've always been a really honest person with myself, so I think success will be when I can look into my own eyes and say that I tried my best.
I just want to give these musicians something kind of back, what they gave me, because they inspired me so much.
I didn't thought that I would become one of the creative residents, so I'm really happy that I'm a part of it now. It's weird to be excited about something you don't know about, but I'm kind of am, so